today we are going to learn the concept socialization. The objectives of this session is to understand the meaning and definition of socialization. And the second one is to understand the importance, the significance of socialization. The third one is it's relating to the theories of socialization. In this we are going to see the theories of two people. One is C.H. Cooley's theory of looking glass self, and the next theory is C.H. Mead's theory of self. And the final one is objective of this session is to know the agents of socialization. That is what makes a person to get socialized, who plays a major role in socializing an individual. These things that we are going to cover in this session. We all have heard this word socialization. We all have heard this word often both in our professional life as well as in our daily life. Just everyone has a perspective of this word socialization. Now let us see what actually it is. What is the real meaning, or even everyone may have a different perspective of this word socialization. Now let us discuss and understand what is the meaning of this word socialization. We all know that the human behavior, how I behave, how you behave, it is a learned behavior. When a human infant comes into the world, actually it comes as a biological organism. The child doesn't know anything. It learns each and everything from others. The first person who teaches behavior and other activities, everything, is their mother, and then their father. The parents plays a major role in socializing a human infant, and then the peer group will play a major role, and then their siblings, family members, and the community, everyone will start to play a role in socializing a particular individual. So the behavior of a person or behavior of an individual is a learned one. So the next one is, we all know culture. The very important thing is socialization is conditioned by culture. The culture decides how a person should be socialized, on what ways a person should be socialized. Everything is set by the culture. We all know what culture is. Culture is a very, very broad term. It includes our ways of life, how I eat, how I dress, how I walk, what language I use, how I speak to my senior person, how I speak to a child. Everything is decided by the culture. At the same time, the culture differs from society to society. A thing which is seen by a good thing in one culture may not be seen as a good thing in another culture. So the socialization of an individual is mostly dependent on a concept called culture. It also includes the customs and traditions followed by a community, and the religious thing, political and the economic activities. The term culture includes all such things, and the socialization is conditioned by culture. And the socialization, in very simple word, we could understand what socialization is. It is a process. We can't say that the socialization starts here and it ends here. It is a continuous process. Right from the birth till death, it would be going on. The socialization process, it's a continuous process. It would go on. So we could very easily understand the term socialization as it is a process of molding and shaping the personality of a human infant. We could also tell the socialization as social training and social learning. The social training is the society, the community trains an individual how I should be in the society. What is the expectation of the society? According to the societal expectation, the society makes an individual to behave in a particular way. In that way, the society socializes a person. And another thing, social learning. The individual learns things from the society. So it is a mutual thing. The individual learns from the society, and the society teaches the individual. So this whole thing gives us a meaning of what is socialization. This is a definition given by very famous people. Before getting to that, let us see a very small video clipping of what is socialization. It will help us to understand in a very easy way.